Hello friends, today I will tell you about Makar Sankranti. Makar Sankranti is the harvest festival celebrated in North India. It is an auspicious day of Hindu. It is usually celebrated on 14 January to honor the god Surya. Kite flying and Kumbh Mela are major events of this day. In Gujarat, this festival is known as Uttarayan. It is the oldest and most colorful harvest festival in India. Thank you. Hello friends, Vanakkam. I am Ashrita. Today I am going to tell you about Pongal. Pongal is the harvest festival celebrated in the month of January in Tamil Nadu. Pongal means overflowing. It also means a special traditional dish. We celebrate this festival for 4 days. First day is Bogi Pongal. On this day, people assemble and light a bonfire to discard old things. Second day is Surya Pongal. On this day, a special dish is prepared and dedicated to the god sun. Third day is Matu Pongal. On this day, people worship cattle like cow and bullock and offer them special meals. Last day is Kanum Pongal. On this day, youngsters receive blessing from elders. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Smith. Today I am going to tell you about Gudi Padwa. Gudi Padwa is a grand harvest festival of Maharashtra. People make rangoli designs and decorate it with flowers and a handmade doll. Women make Puran Puli, Shrikhand, Puri and exchange good wishes. Thank you.
Hello friends, I will tell you about festival Holi. Holi is the most colorful harvest festival of India. People celebrate it with great enthusiasm. It is one of the renowned harvest festivals of India for colors and water. It represents the essence of India, as the festival is celebrated with great grandeur and splendors. Thank you.
Hello friends, today I am going to talk about harvesting festival of Odisha, that is Nuakhai. It is also known as Nabana. This festival is celebrated in the month of August and September. Nuakhai is celebrated to welcome new rice of the season. The word now means new and the Khai means food. Odisha Pita is made to celebrate this festival. Odisha Pita is a pancake made of sugar and rice flour. In the evening, folk dance and the songs are performed, that is called as Nuakhai Bedi. Thank you.
Hello friends, today I will speak about Baisakhi. It is harvest festival of Punjab. It is usually celebrated 13 or 14 April every year. It marks the harvest of rabi crops and farmers express gratitude to God for good yield. Punjabis celebrate by dancing Gidda and Bhangra. Sikh visit Gurudwara, read Holy Granth and pay respect. Thank you. सुंदर मुंदर ये हो, तेरा कौन बेचारा हो, दुल्ला पट्टी वाला हो, दुल्हन भी आई हो, शेर शक्कर पाई हो, कुड़ी दा सालू पाटा हो, सालू कौन लपेटे हो, सानू दे दिल लोड़ी, तेरी जीवन जोड़ी, सानू दे दिल लोड़ी, तेरी जीवन जोड़ी. Hi everyone, today I will tell you about Lodi. Lodi is the harvest festival In the evening, people gather around bonfires and throw sweets, pumped rice and popcorn into the flames and sing popular folk songs and exchange greetings. Thank you. I wish you a happy Lodi.
Friends, today I am going to tell you about Harvest Festival Bangla, celebrated by the Karo tribe who live in Meghalaya and Assam. Sun god is worshipped with immense devotion and zeal. Women wear their traditional colorful clothes and dance, while men rhythmically drum their fingers on their traditional trumpet. Thank you.
Hello friends, Bihu is the harvest festival of Assam. It refers to a set of 3 different festivals. Rongoli or Bohag Bihu observed in April. Kongoli or Kati Bihu observed in October. Bhogali or Mag Bihu observed in January. The Rongoli Bihu is the most important of the 3 celebrating the Assamese New Year and the Spring Festival. The Kongoli or Kati Bihu is the Sombre, thrifty one reflecting a season of short supplies and is an animistic festival. Bhogali or Mag Bihu is the one that's all about food. Special Bihu dances are performed across the state. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Today I will tell you about Hareli festival. Hareli is the harvest festival of Chhattisgarh state. The word Hareli is taken from the Hindi word Haryali, meaning greenery. It is celebrated during holy month of Sawan. People worship farm equipments, cows and pray God for good crops. Thank you.
काले मेघा पानी तो बरसाओ।
काले मेघा पानी तो बरसाओ। बिजली की तलवार नहीं बूंदों के बाण चलाओ। मेघा छाए बरखा लाए,
गिर आए, गिर के आए। कहे ये मन मचल न यूं चल संभल।
गए दिन बदल तू घर से निकल, बरसने वाला अब अमृत जल।
सुविधा के दिन बीत गए, भैया मलहार सुनाओ।
धरती, मेरे देश की धरती सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती, मेरे देश की धरती, मेरे देश की धरती, मेरे देश की धरती सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती, मेरे देश की धरती, मेरे देश की धरती।